Hello students, let us continue the session on quadratic equation. In the beginning, let us solve few quadratic equations by the method of factorization. Here we have the first question. The question is, solve the quadratic equation six times m square minus 7 times m plus 2 equal to 0 by factorization method. The given equation is 6m square minus 7m plus 2 equal to 0. In the factorization method, we have to follow splitting the middle term. It is also called as breaking the middle term. For that, we have to find out the sum, which is minus 7, and the product, which is positive 12. We know 4 times 3 is 12. But then to get minus 7, we'll consider minus 3 and minus 4 combination. The sum is minus 7 and the product minus 4 times minus 3 is positive 12. Therefore, I split the middle term as minus 4m minus 3m plus 2 equal to 0. This implies among these two terms, I can take 2m as common. I'll be left out with 3m minus 2. In this, I'll take minus 1 as common, so it becomes 3m minus 2. Now there is 3m minus 2 common. 3m minus 2 times 2m minus 1. I get the product of linear equations. Now I have to equate it to 0. This implies 3m minus 2 equal to 0 and 2m minus 1 equal to 0. This rule is called as a product rule. Therefore, the m value is either positive 2 by 3 or it is positive 1 by 2. These are the roots of the equation. We shall solve different varieties of question. Here I have the second question. The question is, solve for x. If the equation is x square plus 4 minus 3y times x minus 12y equal to 0. Look at this. This is not a standard form of a quadratic equation because there are two different variables. This in terms of variable only will solve. So what I prefer doing is I will rewrite this equation by multiplying x to that. It becomes 4x minus 3xy minus 12y equal to 0. Now observe the first two terms. There is x common in this. I'll be getting x plus 4. In the next two terms, I'll take minus 3y as common. X plus 4 equal to 0. Now we have x plus 4 common, multiply to x minus 3y equal to 0. This implies either x plus 4 is equal to 0 or x minus 3y equal to 0. Therefore, the value of x is either 4 or it is 3y. So in terms of y, there is one root. As a number, this is minus 4. As a number, minus 4 is another root. This is how we solve when this type of question is there. Look at question 3 now. Question 3. Find The integral values of x, that is, x must belong to the set of integers which satisfy 3x square minus 2x minus 8 equal to 0. They are asked the same question of solving x, but in a different way. After solving, we would get some roots. In those, I have to identify which are the integers. That's what it means. Now let us consider the given equation. Given equation is 3x square minus 2x minus 8 equal to 0. Look at the sum and the product in this case. The sum is negative 2 and the product is negative 24. This is very much possible if you consider the combination of negative 6 and positive 4. Their sum becomes minus 2 and their product becomes negative 24. Therefore, I split the middle term as negative 6x, positive 4x, and the rest of the things I'll write as it is. In the next step, in the first two terms, I can take 3x common. I'll be getting x minus 2 plus 4 common, x minus 2 equal to 0. Now we have x minus 2 common, multiply to 3x plus 4 equal to 0. This implies either x minus 2 is 0 or 3x plus 4 equal to 0. Therefore, the value of x we get as 2 or negative 4 by 3. Look at the values now. Here we have got 2 and also negative 4 by 3. Since 2 is the only integer in these roots obtained, therefore the value of x is 2 and it belongs to the set of integers. This z represents the set of integers. Here I shouldn't take the value of x as negative 4 by 3. The reason is negative 4 by 3 is not an integer. Let's move on to the next question. Question is fourth one. Solve 2 times x square plus 1 equal to 5x. This has to be rewritten and we can find the roots. Once we rewritten, it becomes 2x square negative 5x plus 2 equal to 0. Now the product is positive 4 and the sum is negative 5. The combination of minus 4 and minus 1 would work out. This implies 2i is x square minus 4x minus x plus 2 equal to 0. Now I take 2x as common. I'll be getting x minus 4. Sorry, x minus 2. Now minus 1 is taken common. We get x minus 2 equal to 0. This implies x minus 2 common multiply to 2x minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, the values of x are x equal to 2 or else it is 1 by 2. These are the solutions. Let me mention that. Therefore, the solutions are x equal to 2 and 1 by 2. Next, question 5, it's more or less related to question number 3. The question 5 is find the solution set of the equations 3x square minus 8x minus 3 equal to 0 when first one, the root is integer. Second one, the root is a rational number. Like in the third question, we would first find the roots. Once the root is found out, then we have to identify whether the roots are integer or a rational number. We have to list them. Let's solve this equation. The given equation is 3x square minus 8x minus 3 equal to 0. Here we have the sum as negative 8 and the product is negative 9. The combination of negative 9 and positive 1 would work out. The sum becomes minus 8 and the product will become minus 9. Therefore, by splitting the middle term, we have 3x square minus 9x minus x minus 3 equal to 0. The first two terms I can take 3x as common. I'll be getting x minus 3 minus 1 common. Is there any mistake here? Yeah, the mistake is positive x. Yeah. So I'll take positive 1 common. You'll be getting x minus 3 equal to 0. Now we have x minus 3 common. We'll be left with 3x plus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, the values of x are 3 and negative 1 by 3. Now look at the first sub-question here. When x belongs to the set of integers, the solution set is only 3. Second, when x belongs to the set of rational number, the solution set is 3 as well as negative 1 by 3. The reason is 3 and negative 1 by 3 both are rational numbers. In the first set, we have taken only 3. The reason is 3 is the only integer among the two roots we obtained. We shall solve another simple question. Solve 2x minus 3 whole square equal to 25. To solve this, but let us simplify this equation. 2x minus 3 whole square should be expanded. A square is 4x square plus b square minus 2ab. Minus 2ab term is negative 12x. b square term is 9. You have to transpose positive 25 to left hand side, it becomes negative 25. Finally, the equation becomes 4x square minus 12x minus 16 equal to 0. Now, before solving, I would like to take 4 common. Since 4 is common everywhere, I'll divide both the side by 4. This implies x square minus 3x minus 4 equal to 0. What I have done is dividing both sides by 4. Once 4 is considered and we have divided, we get this equation. Now you easily can think of the solution here. Negative 4 should be obtained as a product and negative 3 should be the sum. The combination of negative 4 and positive 1 would work out. Therefore, it can be written as x square minus 4x plus x minus 4 equal to 0. This implies x common x minus 4 plus 1 common x minus 4 equal to 0. So the roots we can find very easily. X value will be 4 or minus 1. These are the two roots. Simple. We shall solve some more questions related to quadratic equation. The next question is, I'll start with once again number 1. It's solve x square equal to 36. Very simple. Whenever this type of question is there, either we can solve it like this, x square equal to 36, taking root on both the side, it becomes plus or minus root of 36. So the value of x is positive and negative 6, plus 6 and minus 6. Yet another way is, we will rewrite the equation as x square minus 36 equal to 0. This can be written as x square minus x square, which is equal to 0. We all know this is like an identity, a square minus b square, which is a plus b into a minus b. Therefore, this becomes x plus 6 multiplied to x minus 6 equal to 0. Therefore, x plus 6 is 0 or x minus 6 is 0. Therefore, x value is negative 6 or positive 6. In this way also, we get the root has positive 6 and negative 6. Next question, I'll write it as question number 2. Solve 2 times x square minus 5x plus 3 equal to 0. Here we shall follow splitting the middle term. The product is positive 6 and the sum is negative 5. This is very much possible when we take negative 3 plus negative 2 and the product becomes positive 6. The product of minus 3 and minus 2 is positive 6. Therefore, the given equation is 2x square minus 3x minus 2x plus 3 equal to 0. In the first two terms, x is being common, we get twice of x minus 3 minus 1 I can take common, we'll get 2x minus 3 equal to 0. Therefore, we get 2x minus 3 multiplied to x minus 1 equal to 0. The value of x would be 3 by 2 positive or 1 positive. Therefore, the required solution are x equal to 1 or 3 by 2. Next, question 3. Solve 3 times x square minus x equal to 10. We can rewrite this equation as 3x square minus x minus 10 equal to 0. Now we should get the sum as negative 1 and the product as negative 30. It is possible when we take negative 6 added to positive 5, negative 6 multiplied to positive 5. Therefore, the equation becomes 3x square minus 6x plus 5x minus 10 equal to 0. First two terms, 3x common, we get x minus 2 plus 5 is common, we get x minus 2 equal to 0. Now there is x minus 2 common, multiply to the left out 3x plus 5 equal to 0. Therefore, either x minus 2 is 0 or 3x plus 5 equal to 0. The value of x are 2 or negative 5 by 3. Therefore, the required solutions are 2 and minus 5 by 3. Next, question 4. Solve x minus 7 multiplied to x minus 9 equal to 195. In this type of question, we need to multiply this, make it as a quadratic equation, and then further simplify. So when you multiply, we'll be getting x square minus 9x minus 7x plus 63. Transpose this 195, we get minus 195 equal to 0. Further, x square minus 9x and minus 7x upon addition we get negative 16, and the sum of 63 and minus 195 is negative 132 equal to 0. This implies x square minus, I have to take the combination to make a sum and the product. Here the sum is negative 16 and the product is negative 132. Yes, suppose if I consider 22 minus 22 and the positive 6 combination, I'll be getting the sum as 16 minus and the product as minus 132. So minus 22x plus 6x minus 132 equal to 0. Now x common x minus 22 plus 6 common x minus 22 equal to 0. So x minus 22 is common, you'll be left with x plus 6 equal to 0. Therefore, the value of x is 22 or negative 6. Therefore, the required solution are x equal to minus 6 and positive 22. Let us solve one more question of this type before winding up the session, and in our next session we shall solve some of the word type question. When statements are given, we will form the quadratic equation and then we will solve. Let's see the last question for this session, question number 5. The question is solve x by 3 plus 3 by x equal to 4 1 by 4. Yes, how do we solve this? We shall take the LCM. The LCM will be 3x. We'll be getting x square plus 9 equal to, let's make this mixed fraction into improper fraction. We'll be getting 17 upon 4. Now do cross multiplication. We get 4x square plus 36 equal to 17. 3 times is 51x. Further, I can rewrite the equation as 4x square minus 51x plus 36 equal to 0. Now we have to have the combination of two numbers to get the sum and the product. The sum is negative 51 and the product is 4 times 36, which is 144. Which are those two numbers which give 144 and 51? Yes, let's guess it. 48 3 times 3 8s are 24, 2 carry, 12 plus 2 is 4. Yes, correct. We will take the combination of negative 48 added to negative 3 and negative 48 multiplied to negative 3. It suits here. Therefore, by splitting middle term, we have minus 48x minus 3x instead of minus 51. Now take 4x as common. We'll be getting x minus 12 minus 3 common, x minus 12 equal to 0. Let me continue here. We have x minus 12 as common. You'll be left with 4x minus 3 equal to 0. So either x minus 12 is 0 or 4x minus 3 equal to 0. So the value of x is positive 12 or positive 3 by 4. Therefore, the values of x are 12 and 3 upon 4 are the solutions. That's all for today's session. Thank you.